Today we want to talk about STEPN, but more specific about the GMT coin. Where's the coin going and what's happening if the coin is falling down? Is STEPN go down as well? We will solve this question today. My name is Nabil Weikemper and I will show you my analysis today. Let's check it out.
This video was presented by PEAKDEFI, the DeFi ecosystem to grow your wealth.
So, first of all, we are here on the STEPN website, and as well we have here the roadmap of STEPN. I all times like it if a project shows the roadmap, and as well, which will be interesting, will be on the quarter 3, the rental system and the quest system. Super interesting, and as well, I guess everyone talks about STEPN in the social media, so maybe you heard something about as well. Little feedback about the website. I like the style about the website. Me as an old website designer as well. I like it. It's popping out, and yes, let me check as well. Jerry, his Twitter account, if he is active. If he is, I can't not even reading it. So let us go in the GMT token because of that we are here right now. And yes, so we have 65 million market cap, which is not a lot on GMT, and for 1 month ago. And right now we are on 40 million. Is it a hard drop? Is it not? I guess I would say it's not that hard because the most coins fall by 50%. This coin doesn't. So it's good for the first time. But let us check out the daily chart. And as well for that, normally what I would do is I would show you my analysis, how I'm doing it, but we can draw some lines. This time I wanted to do it with you, and what I'm checking, normally I'm checking all times January, February high, all times important, because in the first 2 months will be decided to, listen, to 90% if this is the high or low for the year. So super interesting. And then what is interesting as well is it's the same is for the other thing. It's the same for the week. If you check Monday and Tuesday, and if they building in high and the low, the low will be to 90% or the high will be to 90%. So that's why I'm all times checking the high and the low of January and February. Here I will check this high, which will be very significant because we have some touches here, some touches here, and as well this low here. Which low is this one? Okay, and yeah, then I'm just checking for the all-time high, which is this one. And to be fair, I can't even do more. That's the only thing I can do. For now on, maybe I could check this one, but I can't even doing it. So now I have to analyze the candles. First of all, like all other cryptocurrencies, the rejections from that coin was nice. So the buyers bought this candle back, which is nice. But every of the cryptocurrency had that. So we have here a tight range, and it will be interesting what's going on. You see here we have a little hammer, this one, but it's nice. We broke down and we close above it. If we close today above it, we still have 3 hours for today, and if it closes above it, it's nice. Then we might see maybe a little bull candle tomorrow. So yeah, but what would I do right now for my daily business, daily day trading, because this is the most important thing. For this case, I would buy on the bottom, I would sell on the high. That's what I would do. Because as well, if you're checking the statistics, if a price hits a high or a low more often time, the chance that the market will break out goes down every time more when the market hits the high again. So then we could see something like that, more a fake to the upside and then a fall down. But every time we touching a high again, the chance to break down or up is all times lower than before. So I see if the candle is closing like that, we could see a little up candle for tomorrow. Would I day trade it right now? No, I wouldn't. Would I even day trading it if I get a signal? I would, yeah. But we see here as well, we are short on my H1 and M15, so there could be a signal, but you see here we have a very, very harsh peak, and I don't want to trade against that normally, so I'm waiting for something like that on the upside to trade against it. I mean, if this is on the bottom side, I don't want to shorting it to go into that. So I'm just waiting that we're building something like that on the upside as well, and then I can shorting it. So you never want to countering a peak formation. So this is all times a big ruling if you day trade. What's happening? It's a good question. What's happening if GMT is going more down? Is STEPN go down as well? I mean, STEPN has as well. You can with STEPN you can pay out as well in GST. So you are not correlated to GMT only, but as well. It would be nice, of course, for STEPN if GMT is rising as well. And I mean, with STEPN, there will go some liquidity into GMT, so it saves GMT. But yeah, I mean, I wouldn't say that that STEPN will fall down big if GMT fall big, because if you didn't watch the video of Torben Platzer, he made a big analysis as well about STEPN. I liked the video. He was talking about if STEPN is a good system or not, and he talked about as well about the GMT. If he would buy his shoes right now, he would get the shoes for the half price when he was investing into STEPN. So yeah, STEPN is a nice project. Would I tell you to invest into it? It's all times a hard question. If I don't see the profit case from the other company, I never would invest, right? Like, for example, if Netflix wouldn't get a monthly payment from us, they didn't have advertisement or something else, I don't know how they make money, and everyone wants to make money, right? We are not all angels and want to help each other and say, oh, we don't need the money. I guess everyone wants to make the money. So and in STEPN, I don't know how they make the money, so I wouldn't invest into it. If you already invest into it, all times try to take first out your investment, then you're on the safe side. So yeah, my conclusion, STEPN is a nice project first. GMT is in a trading range, so I guess if we close today like that in the little doji above the close from yesterday, then we should see a little up candle tomorrow as well. We have a peak formation on the M15, so I would not trade against it. I would wait until we make a peak formation on the upside to short the market. And yeah, beside that, I cannot say a lot about GMT because, as you see here, the first candle was actually on my birthday, was on the 9th of March. Yeah, beside that, I hope you have all a good day, a good week, and stay safe with trading. Bye.